Hi everybody, this is properties of triangle chapter. In the previous video I discussed about the introduction part, that means about some properties of triangle. Here I will discuss exercise 15a from R.S. Agarwal book. Some sums here I will discuss. So this is question number 2. In a triangle DEF, if angle E equal to 105 degree and angle F equal to 40 degree, find angle D. So this is the triangle DEF. So here angle E equal to 105 degree and angle F equal to 40 degree. So we have to find out angle D. So how to find out it? So in triangle DEF, angle D plus angle E plus angle F equal to 180 degree. That we know. That is the angle sum property. We know that the sum of all angles of a triangle, the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here we will put the value of angle E and angle F, 105 degree plus degree I will not put here, 40 equal to 180. Then angle D equal to 180 minus 105 plus 40. Angle D equal to 35. Therefore, angle D equal to 35 degree. Now coming to question number 4. Find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 4:3:2. So we have to take here common ratio be x. Or another one process, by taking x this can be solved, or by ratio sum this can be solved. So first I will write the formula of the triangle angle sum property. That is the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Ratio of the angles equal to 4:3:2. So sum of the ratios or ratio sum equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2, that means 9. Now first angle equal to first one is 4, so 4 by 9 into 180 degree. 9 2s are 18, 0, 4 2s are 8, 80 degree. Next second angle equal to, next part is 3, so 3 by 9 into 180 degree. That means 60 degree. And third angle is first part is 2, so 2 by 9 into 180 degree. That means 40 degree. So therefore the angles are 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. Now question number 6. The acute angles of a right triangle are in the ratio 2:1. Find each of these angles. Here one thing we have to notice, that is this triangle is right triangle. That means one angle is 90 degree and other two angles are acute angle. So here also we will take angle sum property of the triangle, that is the sum of all angles of a triangle. We know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here one angle is right angle. Here one angle is right angle. That means -90 degree. So we have to find the other two angles. That means here the ratio is 2:1 given. Common ratio Bx. So other two angles are 2x and x degree. So according to the condition, x degree plus 2x degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So now 3x degree equal to 180. That 90 will be deducted from 180. That means 90 degree. So x equal to 90 divided by 3. That means 30 degree. So implies x equal to 30. So all angles are, first one is 90 degree, next one is 30 degree and other one is 30 into 2, that means 60 degree. So 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. These are the angles. 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. Now question number 8. Each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. Find the angles of the triangle. So isosceles triangle, that means two angles are equal. Suppose this and these angles are equal. So here is given each of the two equal angle of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. So let the third angle be x degree. Then each of the two equal angles is twice the third angle. So each of the two angles are 2x degree and 2x degree, because these are twice of the third angle. So third angle is x, so the other two angles 2x and 2x. Now angle sum property of the triangle. So x degree plus 2x degree plus 2x degree equal to 180 degree. 180 degree no need to give. That means angle sum property of the triangle, the sum of all angles of the sum of the all angles of the triangle be 180 degree. So here 5x equal to 180 degree, x equal to 180 divided by 5. So 36 degree, 36, x equal to 36. Therefore, all the angles are 36 degree and other two are 36 into 2, that means 72 degree, and this also 72 degree. So answer is 72 degree, 72 degree and 36 degree. These are the three angles. Now question number 9. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, so that the triangle is right angled. So here one condition is given, one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two angles. That means let three angles are three angles of a triangle are angle A, angle B and angle C. Now what is given in the condition, one angle of a triangle. One angle, suppose angle A is equal to the sum of the other two angles, that means angle B plus angle C. This condition is given. So I am giving here a number, that is 1. This equation numbering is 1. Now we know that property, the sum of, we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Here, instead of angle B and angle C, I will put the value of this one, angle A. I will put angle A here by using 1. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C means angle A equal to 180 degree by using equation 1. So this means 2 into angle A equal to 180 degree. Here I repeat once again, in the place of angle B plus angle C, I put here angle A by using equation 1. Then angle A equal to 180 by 2, that means 90. That means this triangle, so here one angle is 90 degree. So the triangle is right angled triangle. Now question number 10. In a triangle ABC, if 2 into angle A equal to 3 into angle B equal to 6 into angle C, calculate angle A, angle B and angle C. Very simple sum. Here this one, and 2 into angle A, that means equal to 3 into angle B equal to 6 into angle C equal to, I am taking x. Let. Now separately I will find out the value of angle A from here by using x. That means 2 into angle A equal to x, that's why angle A equal to x by 2. Now 3 into angle B equal to x, that means angle B equal to x by 3. 6 into angle C equal to x, angle C equal to x by 6. Now same formula, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That this is the angle sum property of triangle. Now I will put here all the values of the angles, that is x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 6 equal to 180 degree. Now LCM will be that 6 LCM we can show here. So 3 to the 6, that means LCM is 6. Now 2 3s are 6, that means 3x plus 2x plus x equal to 180 degree. Implies 6x, 3 plus 2 plus 1, that means 6x by 6 equal to 180 degree. X6 can be cut, that means x equal to, therefore x equal to 180 degree. Now we will find out the separate angles. Therefore angle A equal to x by 2, that means 180 divided by 2, that means 90 degree. Okay. Now angle B equal to x by 3, that means 180 by 3, so 60 degree. Angle C equal to x by 6, that means 180 divided by 6, so 30 degree. So therefore the angles are, angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now question number 12. In the given figure, DE parallel BC. If angle A equal to 65 degree and angle B equal to 55 degree, find number 1 angle ADE. That means this one ADE. Angle AED. That means this one is angle AED, and angle C. This is angle C. So first we will find out angle C. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Or I can find out angle ADE also. Okay, first I will find out angle ADE. Number 1. So as DE parallel BC, so angle B and angle ADE is corresponding angles. So these two angles are equal. If AB is the transversal, AB is transversal. So angle B equal to angle ADE equal to 55 degree. Therefore, angle, because that is corresponding angle, angle ADE equal to 55 degree, corresponding angles. Okay, now number 2. Number 2 is angle AED. We have to find out AED. So one process to find out angle AED, that is from 180, if we will subtract angle A and angle ADE, then we can get angle AED. Or another one process, first we have to find out angle C. After that, by corresponding angle we can write angle C and angle AED is equal, because DE parallel BC. That's why these are corresponding angles. So first I will find out here angle C, that is number 3. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here 65 plus 55 plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Then angle C equal to 180 minus 65 plus 55. It will be 180 minus. Then this is 60 degree. So angle C equal to 60 degree. Now number 2. As DE parallel BC, angle C equal to angle AED, that is corresponding angle, equal to 60 degree. Corresponding angle. corresponding angles. Here transversal is AC. Transversal is AC. Transversal is AC here. Therefore, angle ADE equal to 55 degree, angle AED equal to 60 degree, and angle C equal to 60 degree.